Good morning, dear students. We will be doing English Practice Book, Unit 16, page number 116. Reading and Understanding. Question number 1. Label the things in the picnic basket. So we have a picture here of a picnic basket. You all can see, right? In your sheets, in your book, we have a picture of a picnic basket, and in this box we have the words which you will write in front of each thing you see in the picnic basket. Then you will do question number 2. You will write down about yourself. I like to eat an apple, for example. Or, I like to drink. What you like to drink, you write down there. We also have answers in the sheet for your help. Okay, dear students? Dear students, we will be doing page number 115, sentence building. Okay? So here we have to circle the plural nouns which are given in a box. Here you can see the plural nouns and the singular nouns are all mixed up together. So you circle the plural nouns. The one is done for you, which is dogs. Dogs is a plural noun. Okay, students? This way you will complete this question number 1 and you will do question number 2, which is finish the sentences. So you look at the picture here and you complete the sentence. I have one. What is it? You write down here. Okay, dear students? And for answers, we have answers in the sheet for your help. Dear students, we will do grammar on page 116. Now, look at these pictures and see who likes it. Ben likes grapes, Nina likes ice cream, Sam likes apple, Miss Plum likes bananas, Moby likes sandwich, Tilly likes cakes. So what you will do here, you will read and circle. Yes or I don't know. Ben likes apples? Yes, I don't know. You look here in the picture if Ben likes apple or no. Ben doesn't like apples. So you circle. I don't know because he likes grapes. So you will do number 2 like the same way. Tilly likes cakes. Tilly likes cakes? You circle yes. Or if she doesn't, you circle I don't know. Okay, students? Then you will do question number 2. Draw and write. You will draw what you like. I like. And you draw the picture of the food you like. And you draw the picture of the food your friend like. My friend likes. Dear students, page number 117, Phonics, which is your homework. I will explain to you how to do it at home. So look at question number 1. Say each word, choose A or I. So we have few pictures here. There is a picture of a cake. So you say the word cake and choose if here will be A or I. And you write down here. You do the rest the same way. For question number 2, match the rhyming words and write down the words here. So we have make and take. Make and take. And you write down here. And you do the rest the same way. You match the rhyming words and you write down in front of it. For question number 3, you also have to look at the picture and complete the blanks. So you look at these pictures and you write down, I can dash a dash. So what you can do, you will write down here. Okay. Dear students, page number 118 in English practice book is your homework. I will explain to you how to do it. You have to look at this picture of fruits in a fruit shop. You will color all these fruits and you will write down the name of the fruits here. Okay, you have to label them. You understand? This is your homework. Students, page number 119 in your English practice book, you're writing. So you look at this picture very carefully for question number 1 and then you write down the sentence about each child. So you look at the picture and complete the sentences. For question number 2, you have to write about you. I like sandwiches, for example. And for help, we have the answers, okay, in the sheet.